Hey y'all, it's Vernice Lashay and I am back with another video. Anyways, welcome back to my channel, you guys. Today's video is all about my box braids and me getting them done. I'm gonna give y'all the rundown real quick, okay? So I got them done by a lady named Angie. She was wonderful, okay? And I'm gonna leave all her information in the description box. So definitely go follow her Instagram, go book her if you're in the Memphis area. Look, I'm telling y'all, she did a wonderful job. She took her time. And my hair is not so tight that you can see my thoughts, but it's tight enough to where it's gonna last. But it's not snatching my edges. Y'all see, all of that is important. Okay, so that's why you should go check her out. Said her information, her Instagram name is going to be in the description box below. Please ignore that noise in the background. That's just a puppy. Okay. If you're interested in the Bohemian box braids, please by all means continue to watch, honey. You're at it. Like, you know, give me them thumbs up. Subscribe, because you know, support your girl and share. So, you mean, sharing is caring. Share with your friends. Share on your Facebook. Share on your Twitter page. Either way, sharing is caring, so thanks. Okay, y'all, I'm just gonna jump right into this. I'm not gonna talk during the whole video, just real quick. We started out with freshly washed hair that was blown out. I did that at home, but she does do that in the salon. I just so happen to have done it at home. And you'll see that she sections off my hair. Well, she parts my hair, and she does a wonderful job at making even parts. Like, I cannot stress how important that is. Like, your hair is gonna be so even and like symmetrical when she parts it. So you can literally flip your braids either to the right side, the left side, or have a middle part. Whichever way you want to do it, you can do it because she parts it to the T. Yeah, so I just want to go ahead and get that little bit out and continue to enjoy. Thanks. Bye.